Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm starting a little tabletop grill out here. It's actually pretty big for a tabletop grill, but I'm using this old water tank. Got a little template on there just so I can draw a circle around those and cut them out. Normally I would cut ahead of that, but I'm trying to get as much length out of the tank as I can. I actually did this a few weeks ago, and I lost some of the footage, so I didn't get a whole lot in this video. But here I'm just getting the ends off. I've got that clamp on there trying to hold it a little bit so it didn't just fall. I got my ends and stuff drew out on this plate. You can kind of see the triangle below it. That's for the feet. The legs, I guess. I just actually remembered to put it right, do them at the same time so I didn't waste any plate. Some of these circles on here are for something else. A different smoker. I just was filling in the little spaces and I needed to cut them anyway. Just about used every bit of that plate. And that's a vent for the next smoker. This is the vent for this grill. Kind of just staggering it because I'm leaving little slats in there. A lot of times I just cut the longer pieces with a grinder. Just a little cleaner on cleanup. A little easier on cleanup. And then these are the legs I'm cutting out. Just trying to get the side pieces and everything laid out before I put it together. These are the handles. These are the same ones that I cut for the smoker that I just did with the little flames in them. These are kind of tedious to cut, but they come out nice. Then just back over here getting the other end off. I put that one end on already just to kind of help hold the round of it. And then just using that clamp to kind of squeeze it around a little bit. It wasn't out around bad, but it was a little bit. Setting up the legs here, getting a lip put on them. I got those legs kind of tacked to the table so I can set the tank on there. Here I'm cutting out stuff with a smoke collector on it. I just used that weight because it was laying there. And it was about the right size for it. This is about where I started losing a lot of the footage. It's kind of between cameras and just lost some of it. And then I'm using the same pipe that came out of the inside of the tank for the exhaust. Here I'm getting the doors cut out. I really didn't get a whole lot of footage of this, just a little bit putting this lip on, and that's about it. I had some more, I just accidentally deleted the clips. And then this is the back clean out door. I prefer to use a grinder with those doors instead of the plasma. It's just a little cleaner. These old tanks are pretty thin, so those cutting blades cut right on through it. Then I got it all wrapped up right here. Went ahead and got it painted up and everything. Everything came out real good on it. Like I say, it's kind of big for a tabletop. It'd be hard to tote it by yourself. It's got your coal rack and an ash pan up under there. Then a little clean out door on the back. Make it a little easier adding coals and stuff in there. But the tank came out real good. That'll do it on this one, y'all. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.